Hi, so I'm going to show you the slightly more advanced way to set up a meeting in advance. This is a great way to set up a like a virtual class period or some office hours or something where maybe you're going to be talking to multiple people and maybe you want some documents you want to schedule in advance, and you maybe want to do some screen sharing to demonstrate something that you're doing. So we're going to start off at Google Calendar. So here's my Google Calendar. I've obviously hidden everything. I'm actually a little more busy than this. But I'm going to create a new event on the calendar. So just by clicking and dragging here, I can create a new calendar event. Doesn't actually matter how long you make it. Just the start time is basically just something that people who are getting invited will see. But you can have people who show up early. They can still be part of the meeting. And they can stay late. It's not creating how long that call will be. So I'll do say virtual tech time, and then down here you can move the time around. You can add guests, all that fun stuff. But I'm going to click on this one that says more options, and this is where we can see all the other cool stuff. So down here there's a little video camera icon. It says Add Conferencing. You click that and choose Hangouts Meet. So it automatically creates a Hangouts meeting space, and you can see the URL is right here. So that is something that people who get invited to your virtual tech time here will see. So I'm just going to throw some people on there. Let's see, I'll put Caroline on there again, and I'll put Myron, and we're good to go. This will work for both faculty and students, so you can add your students if you want to have a little virtual class. Down here in the description field is where a lot of cool stuff can happen. Anything in that description, anything you type in there, anything you link to there will be available inside of your meeting. That's awkward to say. So down here, like, hi, see these words soon. And then underneath here, let's say there was a link to something I wanted to put on. I'm going to put in PCS Moodle.site. Now why not put HTTPS just to be thorough. Click OK, and that's going to be a link that is going to be accessible. You can also add an attachment, either from my drive. Let's do recent. I'm going to do this cool little demo there. You can add multiple ones by holding down the command key. And I'll just click select. You can also have the option to upload over here or pull things from shared drives, shared with me, all that. And just click select. So you can see those are right there in my description, and they'll be available later after I send this out. So that's all good to go. I'm just going to click save and send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests. Yes, send. So one nice thing about this is whatever you add on there, if it isn't already accessible to the people who are coming to your meeting, it's going to prompt you like this. So you can turn that link sharing on so all of these people can view that. You can also, if they want to view it or edit it, you can also change that over here. And I'll just click invite. All right, cool. So we are good to go. So you can see our virtual tech time is right over there. So what we can do is we can either go directly to Hangouts. I'm sorry, I keep calling it Hangouts. You can go directly to Meet and see our forthcoming thing, or when we click on this, you'll see this little Join Hangouts Meet link that'll take you right to it. All right. I also just want to show you again. You can click on the Google Apps little waffle button here. You can go down to Meet and go to Meet that way. So you can see here at 2:30, virtual tech time is set to start. It's currently 2:11 as I'm recording this, as you can see over here, but that doesn't matter. You can always get there early, and it's like a kind of a meeting room that's just sitting there waiting for you. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to let me join. And I'll just show you around. So I'll click Join Meeting. Hey, there we are. So once again, I'm just looking at myself because no one else has joined this meeting. You can see up here the little one. Shows that it's just me. Down here where it says virtual tech time, this is where we can see our description that we put in. So we have that link here, PCS Moodle site. It's a live link. I can click it. It's going to open up a new tab, and so we can refer back to that. Over here where it says attachments, those are the 2 documents that I added. So those are just sitting there, right there in your workspace for students or your colleagues or whoever you invited to your meeting can see and use them. So also there's joining info. If you want to, you can copy that joining info and send it off to more people. And also one neat thing is there's a dial-in feature. So if somebody wants to just call, they can call into that meeting. And oh, interesting, 315 area code. That's upstate New York. That's where I'm from. And they would just call that and then put in the PIN to be able to do audio. All right. So some other features I'd like to show you is you can click turn on captions and it will automatically try to transcribe what you're saying. Let's see how good it is. Let's say dishwasher. Yeah, got it. She sells seashells by the seashore. All right, I'm wasting your time. All right, I'm gonna turn captions off. One other cool feature is present now. And you can present your entire screen or just a window. So this is screen sharing. This is, if you wanted to model something, if you were working in a program, or were writing a description of something, or just want to, have everybody looking at the same document, you could do that. So I'm going to select a window, and I have all the documents that I currently have open. So over here, I'm just going to click on this PDF, click share, and there we go. So I'm presenting my screen. So this is basically just going to show, what's going on with that particular document. So everybody can see this and see what I'm doing with it. And so let me go back and turn that off. And if you want to stop that, you can click stop presenting. And you're back. All right. Looks like everybody's busy, so no one has taken me up on my invitation. Maybe that's Myron coming back in. Hey, Myron, could you click on that invite I just emailed you? All right, cool. So that way we can see what it looks like when somebody else joins in. But that's pretty much all the features. Okay, I think he's busy. So yeah, please ask us questions. Anybody on the tech team could give you a hand setting this up and creating your own virtual classes or meetings. Yep. Thanks for listening. Bye.